Hello everyone, my name is Nico and I welcome you to Easy Manifesting. In this series, we will chat about how to manifest our desires in an easy manner. Today's topic is how to reach that feeling of the wish fulfilled. We all know by now, if you are familiar with manifesting or casting spells, that in order to obtain our desire, we have to generate within ourselves that feeling of the wish fulfilled. Is like pretending that we already have in our life that desire and we no longer worry about it anymore. However, this is no easy task. It's actually hard for most people to do this, but it can be trained. You see, if your desire is to own a car, to have a lover, to obtain a promotion at work, you have to imagine yourself in that scenario. You have to imagine yourself having that car or whatever you wish. All good, but how can you feel it if it's not present in the physical? Well, I have a little trick for you that I spoke about in the past as well, and that is music. Music is the most powerful tool that you can use in any magical practice. If you are casting spells with candles or just do scripting, music is the tool that can make it easy for you to generate that feeling of power. Because music has the ability to make you feel down, happy, cheerful, moody. And sound is one of the most well-protected sciences in magic, actually. I mean, look at the sacred Kabbalah. So my suggestion to you is this. If you are visualizing your car, wouldn't add a little more extra power and a delicious vibe if you listen to the music that you like? Just play some high vibe music and imagine yourself again and again driving around your neighborhood. Imagine how you put even some bags of groceries in your car. Or imagine while listening to your favorite songs how good it feels to hear that music as you imagine yourself driving at night, for example, and nobody is on the streets and you just enjoy your drive and your music. If your desire is a romantic relationship, maybe imagine yourself having a nice dinner with your significant other, maybe listening to some jazz and imagining yourself in this beautiful restaurant having this beautiful and entertaining date again and again. Imagine that scene over and over again. The idea is to incorporate music always when you are imagining your desire in order for you to stir and create that magical atmosphere within yourself. Music, again, I remind you, it's a powerful form of magic. Listen to songs that make you feel powerful, that make you feel rich and healthy. I, for example, no longer listen to sad songs. If something like that is coming on the radio while I'm driving, I always skip the damn song because I don't want to influence my subconscious with a sad story. I just want to manifest the best in my life. I don't want to have someone else's problems stuck in my mind. That's why I usually prefer music without lyrics, and if I listen to music with lyrics, I prefer something that is not disturbing what I am trying to manifest. Also, pay attention to the words that you use on a daily basis. It's music to your ears and to your subconscious mind. So pay attention and let that gossip aside, because what you speak about others that will reach them through the ethers, and you'll be surprised to find out that they will start behaving as you assumed. So make sure to engage your hearing sense in the good that you desire for yourself. We reached the end of the video. Let me know in the comments how you generate that feeling of the wish fulfilled. How do you do it? Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Happy manifesting!